This year, Fix a Leak Week is March 16th to the 22nd. And for Greeley residents, it's a great reminder that even a small drip can add up to big water losses and even larger water bills. Joining us today is Ben Schaefer. He's the Water Efficiency Coordinator for the City of Greeley. And he's going to talk to us a little bit about what to look for during Fix a Leak Week and how the city's Flush and Flow program can help eligible customers replace inefficient toilets and save water and money. So Ben, thanks for being here. So let's start with Fix a Leak Week. What are the places that you would recommend residents to look for to find leaks?
Typically, this time of year, the most frequent spots for leaks is in the toilets. So an easy way to check for the toilets is to do a dye test, or with dye tabs or food coloring. Simply place those in the back of the toilet, wait about 15 minutes, and if any of that coloring shows up in the bowl, you know that the toilet's leaking. A lot of the times, toilets are silent leakers, so you can't see it, you can't hear it, but they will increase your water bill without them being caught. Now, as we get towards the summer season, don't turn your irrigation system on yet. It's way too early. But come mid-April, when it's time to turn it on, there's those chances for increased leaks, with whether it's the main line, the backflow, or the valve boxes. The valve boxes and the backflow are the primary spots to check when you're turning on your irrigation system. And then use that as a reminder of, don't just set it and forget it. Continually check and monitor that irrigation system so you don't have any surprise issues. Other areas around the home that might be frequent leaks are around the kitchen, faucets, showers. Just be mindful of what's around the drain, if there's any puddling water or any unknown water sources that are causing you issues. You can also check online at our utility billing portal to see your usage down to the hour and identify any leaks that way as well.
Well, it was a nice little plug for our new utility billing portal, so well done. So the city has a water efficiency team. How does that team support residents who want to be more water-wise?
Well, we offer a wide variety of programs and services. We offer educational materials. Our landscape lecture series is involved with that. There's lots of tips and tricks on managing your landscape, tracking down leaks. We have leak brochures online for both indoor and outdoor leaks. They're in English and Spanish. Any customer can access those, and they're a step-by-step tutorial of how to go through your house or through your irrigation system and identify those leaks. We also offer services to where homeowners or customers are having difficulty tracking down their leaks. Reach out to us at efficiency@GreeleyCO.gov, and we can help you through the process. Other aspects that we have is really looking at how we can connect with those customers and meet them where they are.
Okay, and then there's even like a plant database too.
Yes, and so we offer rebates to customers. We offer toilet rebates. We offer irrigation component rebates, and then we also have the Plants for Greeley database, and that's at plantsforgreeley.com. There you can go online and search by a number of parameters: color, size, bloom, shade or sun, and water requirement. And so it's a really good spot to get the information you want to be able to plant those plants in the right place in your landscape.
Yeah, that plant database is kind of cool. I actually go and you can actually identify weeds too, and so those little fellows that you don't want in your yard, you can at least get a name for them and figure out how to get rid of them. So
yep, a great resource.
All right, so you mentioned toilets, kind of being the silent leak killer. So that kind of is a good transition into the Flush and Flow program for this that the city of Greeley has. So tell us about what the Flush and Flow program is and who is eligible.
So the Flush and Flow program, it's really a partnership between Northern Water, Weld County Youth Conservation Corps, and the city of Greeley. And so what it is, it's a toilet replacement program that is free of charge to qualifying customers. So customers that receive any sort of income assistance, federal funding, or the like, or are on our Lift Up program, they automatically qualify for the program. And so Northern Water provides the toilets. Weld County Youth Conservation Corps does the installs, and we do the initial assessment. So we go in, speak with the customer, take the measurements, look at the old toilet, determine if it's eligible for replacement, and then Weld County contacts that customer to schedule the installation. It's a really stress-free process for the customer. If they qualify, everything's handled by us or Weld County, and it's completely free of charge to those customers. And so we've found aspects where customers, whether they don't have the resources or have leaking toilets, this is a program for them to upgrade and stop those leaks and save some water.
Okay, and then what's the best part about the program?
The best part about the program, the most rewarding part is actually giving back to the community and meeting those customers where we are and not leaving anybody behind. And so it's been a really rewarding program. We've gotten lots of positive feedback with it, and we hope to continue it going into the future.
All right, perfect. So if you've been thinking about tracking down a leak or replacing an old toilet, Fix a Leak Week, March 16th to the 22nd is the perfect time to do that. Just go to GreeleyCO.gov/water/efficiency and learn more about becoming more water efficient.